So finally I have come to an accessories shop and its name is Roadstar, and it is the brand store of Autofoam seat covers, and I prefer Autofoam seat covers as these seat covers are of really good quality and they are snug fit. So I have come to this particular showroom. I have pre-booked the seat cover and soon he will be fitting the seat cover in my new car. So once he starts fitting the seat covers, I will show you how he is installing the seat covers in my new car. Finally, seat cover fitting has started. So he will require to remove all the seats. So भाई एकटू सावधाने जाते दाग टाग ना पड़े. So finally he has started to remove the seats. So the seats will be fitted, and I have procured these are Autofoam seat covers, as you can see, seat covers, and I have selected full black. I have selected Autofoam seat covers and they are full black. There are other combinations also, but I have chosen the least expensive one. Quality wise it's very good, but depending upon design and all this, prices may differ. It starts from 6,500 onwards. This 6,500 including fitting. So I have chosen this one. You may choose other varieties also. So let's start and see how it looks after fitting the Autofoam seat covers. বলছি কি কি পাওয়া যায় আপনার দোকানে, মানে কি কি আপনি রাখেন, মানে অ্যাকসেসরিজ বলতে
all kind of car accessories,
all
car
car
related,
related.
seat covers,
Okay.
lamination,
Acha.
matting, audio system,
Okay.
audio upgrade, light upgrade,
Light.
HID, LED.
ওকে, অ্যান্ড ইফ আই মানে আমি আগে বাংলাই বলে নিই। আচ্ছা, যদি ধরুন স্টিরিও কেউ লাগাতে চায়, আমার যেরকম সবই ফিটিং আছে, কিন্তু অনেক গাড়ি তো মানে বেস মডেল নিয়ে আসে, তারা স্টিরিও ফিট করতে চায়।
নেই স্যার, আজকের ডেটে যাদের অডিও সিস্টেম আছে, অডিও সিস্টেম খুলিয়ে অডিও,
হ্যাঁ সে তো আছেই, আমি নিজেও আমার সুইফটে তাই করেছিলাম। তো মানে কত রেঞ্জ থেকে আপনাদের শুরু হচ্ছে, মানে টাচ স্ক্রিন যারা লাগাতে চায়?
স্ক্রিন মোটামুটি আমার কাছে, আমরা শুধু ব্র্যান্ডেড ছাড়া বিক্রি করি না।
আচ্ছা,
ব্র্যান্ডেড অডিও মোটামুটি ধরে রাখুন অনলি প্লেয়ার।
আচ্ছা,
উইথ ব্লুটুথ, বিনা ব্লুটুথে তো এখন
না 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 একদমই না।
তো 10,000 থেকে স্টার্টিং হয়।
10,000 থেকে স্টার্টিং। সো if you want to fit any stereo here, starting range for the touch screen stereos are from 10,000 onwards.
And it will be Pioneer.
Okay, with Bluetooth, and he sells only branded products. You can get you can get Sony, JVC, Blowpunk, all these brands. Not any Chinese or local brands are available here. And he has a range of seat covers also, and as I told you, he is a brand store of Autofoam. So these are the different type of seat covers you can see. So you can install seat covers according to your choice. And
You can also check this designs at Autofoam website.
Autofoam website, yes. Also, you can also check the designs at Autofoam website, where you can have the detailed description of all the seat covers. Here you can see other accessories such as door strips, then lighters or 12-volt sockets, different type of mobile chargers, then car maintenance, car upkeep, different type of polishes. These are the speakers range. He also sells alloys also. Alloys কত থেকে শুরু হচ্ছে?
Alloys depending on the size of
Okay.
the rim.
Okay.
12 ইঞ্চি, 13 ইঞ্চি,
Okay.
15 ইঞ্চি, যেটা আপনার স্টিল রিমসে আছে সেইটাই আপনি অ্যালয়েতে পাবেন।
Okay.
ধরে রাখুন 12 inches range starts from 15K, 16K.
Okay.
Depends on design, polish.
Okay, so for 12 inches, those who are having small cars and 12-inch rims, they can opt for alloy wheels also. There the range starts from 15,000 onwards, depending upon your design, quality and finishes. So, আচ্ছা 16 inches এ কিরকম দাম, মানে
16 inches alloy মোটামুটি ধরে রাখুন 28 to 30
Okay,
range.
okay. 16-inch alloys which are fitted in my car, it starts from 28 to 30,000. Acha, you can also do your floor lamination here and
একটা 1.8 mm ও হয়
Okay.
2500
okay. Depending on thickness, the price varies.
and
So
depends on the car also.
it depends on the car also.
For
If
your
you have a
car,
big car,
yes,
yes, the charges will be higher.
Yes.
So for 1.8 mm it is 2500 for Altros, and if you go for 2.25, no 2.2 mm, then the charges will be
2800.
2800. So the price will vary depending upon the make and design size of the car. Okay.
For smaller car the price is low. For
Okay,
bigger cars, the price
price
is high.
higher. I understand. So you can visit this store, and it is very conveniently located on this is called Anwasha connector, and as you cross Jadavpur bridge, and just after a few meters this showroom is located on the right side while you are going towards Kalikapur. Yes, now they have started fitting the seat covers. So this is the rear seat, and it will be a bucket fit. It will look same as the new seat covers, as if it is fitted by the company itself. Okay, so he is stitching all the seat covers with different type of stitches and ropes, so give it a feel that as if it is fitted by the company itself. Now he is fitting the covers. Already the ropes have been tied to the seat cover, and now he will fit the seats into the original cover to give it a look as if it is stitched from the factory itself. Now he has started fitting the front seats, and once the front seats are complete, he will fit the seats again to the car as original seats. Really, it's looking good now, and seat covers are must. If you want to protect your seats for a longer period, you must install seat covers as soon as possible. And especially the art leather seat covers are better, although during hot summer days it gets heated up, but normally cleaning and wiping is much easier.
যে কোনো জিনিস পড়লেও তো
If anything falls on your seat or any liquid spillage is there, seat cover protects your original seat always. Almost complete. The upper part has been completed in the front seat. The driver's seat is still have not been done, and the passenger seat, the rear backrest is almost complete. So once it is completed, I will show you how the car looks after the seat covers are fitted. So he is fitting the front seats. Finally the rear seats are being fitted after fitting the seat covers. As you can see, he is fitting the lower part first, and once the lower part is completed, then the upper part will be completed. Finally the entire work is completed. You can see how it looks. In fact, I will take a video in daytime because it's already dark now and it's very difficult how it looks. So I will show you a video in the morning and how it looks during daytime. Okay. And the rear seats completed. The back side